From its beginning in 1972 as a small company, GIC today supplies to 75% of the Indian transformer industry. GIC exports to 49 countries around the world. A larger vision needs to be executed by a larger organization, and so we introduce to you GIC Insuflex. GIC Insuflex is the brainchild of its MD and CEO, Mr. Amit P. Shah. A qualified engineer, Mr. Shah acquired skills for JIT, TBM, TQM and Kaizen. Mr. Shah joined the family business at a basic level, and through his efforts, the company has expanded to its prominent position today. Mr. Shah has extensively traveled to 45 countries in 7 years and gained greater understanding of the critical to quality factor required in manufacturing a state-of-the-art cable to support transformers. He implemented this knowledge in the current setup at GIC Insuflex to establish the company as the world's largest producer of such cables. His constant hunger and vision have never diminished, and Mr. Shah plans to establish a supply of these cables to more than 70 countries by 2016. GIC Insuflex is a one-stop shop for cables required in oil field transformers, providing the entire range from medium to large distribution transformers, small, large, extra large, to an ultra large power transformer. GIC Insuflex is one of the only companies to manufacture cables with a minimum cross-section area of 1.5 mm square to a maximum cross-section area of 800 mm square. We are also experts in manufacturing paper-lapped cable with an outer diameter of around 90 mm to facilitate smooth processing and save the precious time of our customers. GIC Insuflex has introduced cables which we supply in cut lengths and even go one step ahead in providing lugs at one or both ends. Our other cable products include solid conductor, stranded conductor, stranded flexible conductor, stranded extra flexible conductor, plain kraft paper insulated copper conductors, natural crepe paper insulated conductors, thermally upgraded kraft and crepe paper insulated, two-way stretched thermally upgraded crepe paper insulated, semi-conductive tape insulated, plus paper insulated copper flexible cable, Nomex tape insulated plus paper insulated copper flexible cables, cotton plus paper insulated cable, enameled, magnet wire, flexible stranded wires insulated with paper, Litz wire, 15% stretch kraft paper insulated copper flexible cable. Our manufacturing setup consists of a bunching area, vertical stranding machine, advanced vertical stranding machine, horizontal stranding machine, pulling of cable through a caterpillar into payoff, 30 layers paper lapping machine, paper lapping done under temperature controlled atmosphere. The paper lapping is done in a chamber having humidifier, which creates a positive pressure which prevents dust particles from entering the chamber. The most recent state-of-the-art acquisition made by GIC Insuflex is a 32-layer servo-driven automized paper lapping machine. This is a 32-layer servo-driven automized paper lapping machine. In order to provide the constant voltage to the servo, a 3-phase servo stabilizer is utilized. The paper lapping machine is based on an HMI, human-machine interface mechanism with fully loaded features by which you could achieve control on each spinner, control on butt and overlap, control on tension on the pad, control on breakage of paper, complete synchronization from first to the last layer of paper per pass. Craft paper is laid in between each layer of the cable to avoid abrasion of the interlayer while pulling the cable from the drum. Quality control is monitored and maintained even at the packing stage. To ensure this, a tube of polythene sheet is rolled over the drums to avoid contact to the cable from moisture, water, etc. The transformer industry the world over has experienced rather trying times, and there is a challenge to manufacture the transformers in a very short time frame. Great emphasis is also made on pricing of the transformer to ensure smooth orders in these challenging times. Being an integral part of the transformer industry, we felt great need to innovate cables which were extremely efficient and competitive in budget. We took up the responsibility to innovate and produce these special new generation connection cables. Copper cables insulated with craft paper plus crepe paper. Copper flexible cable covered with polyester film plus Nomex tape plus fiberglass yarn finally extruded with polyurethane multi-Nomex insulation. Conductors insulated with 15% stretched thermally upgraded craft paper plus plain craft paper. Conductor insulated with thermally upgraded crepe paper plus natural crepe paper. Conductor insulated with thermally upgraded crepe paper plus natural crepe paper plus tub crepe paper. Semiconductive black tape plus thermally upgraded green paper plus natural insulated crepe paper. 98% of GIC Insuflex raw material is imported to ensure premium quality standards. Copper is imported from Ducab, Dubai. Paper is imported from Munksjö, Sweden and Weidmann, Switzerland. Nomex is imported from DuPont, USA. Wooden drums are brought in semi-knockdown condition from Madame Reels, Brazil. GIC Insuflex's local clients include ABB, Arriva, BHEL, CG Power, ECE, Vijay, Kanohar. We supply cables to around 75% of the reputed oil-field power transformer manufacturers. Currently, GIC Insuflex exports to 49 countries. Our valued customers include ABB Limited, Siemens Limited, Arriva, CG Group, MR, Efacec, Maiden, Virginia Transformers and many more. GIC Insuflex has warehouse facilities in Singapore, Dubai, Hamburg, Brussels, Mexico, Sao Paulo, Gothenburg and Miami.